Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the stage. Raise playback to 1, 25 or 1, 5 times, and lock subtitle font and size so your eyes learn a single pattern. Once done, pick a short 5-10-minute clip to practice reading under pressure. This reduces fatigue and forces adaptation. You do this because speed training relies on repetition with controlled difficulty. So start now and don't waste time on elaborate tools. Use the simplest clip and the adjusted speed to form the habit. Now work on decoding. Chunk subtitle lines into meaning units so your brain maps phrases to context faster, rather than reading word by word. Once comfortable, briefly glance ahead to the next line for half a second to prepare for transitions and reduce regressions. Make sure to shadow say or whisper key phrases to lock rhythm and listening comprehension together. You do this because coupling visual preview with vocal rhythm trains anticipatory processing, which is the core mechanism that speeds up subtitle reading. Finish by extending practice duration gradually to 20 to 25 minutes while keeping speed changes small. This builds endurance without collapsing comprehension. If understanding falls, reduce playback by 1/10 until accuracy returns, then push forward. Small regressions are normal. Once done, use repeated viewings of the same episode to automate recognition of common phrases and scene cues. If audio or font causes strain, switch source or font. Clarity of text and sound is the single most important trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.